Hanji, so
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I'm good, sir.
I am so happy and expected. So मुझे पता था you will do well. तुम्हारे हिसाब से अच्छा रिजल्ट है खराब रिजल्ट है? What do you think?
I am glad and proud of what I did. I worked my best. Accounts mein I did fumble, but apart from that, the most difficult paper I would say for everyone in all streams would be English, and I'm proud of what I did. And I could do that not because I studied, but because you taught us how to strategize, how to work on it, how to improve on what you're bad, and how to work on your strengths. So I think that helped us more.
How
more
sweet.
than what we studied.
How sweet of you. I remember तुमने मतलब खूब दिमाग खाया है मेरा. ये करना, ये बताओ. And that is good. That is the you know that is the manifestation of a good student. जो खूब सारे क्वेश्चन पूछता है वो अच्छा स्टूडेंट होता है. जो क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछता ना वो बोरिंग स्टूडेंट होता है, कभी अच्छा करता ही नहीं है. So I was always happy to answer every single question and you'd remind me also. सर ये रह गया, ये वाला रह गया, ये बता दो. So, but what was the most difficult subject for you in the entire prep?
English was difficult, and along with that, accounts also, because I knew that I was weak in some areas and I had to work on it, and I regretted not doing it beforehand. But then I did catch up, and English is a completely new thing because it's not what you study in CBSE. It's completely different.
True.
And everyone studies the same course, the same syllabus. Everyone does the vocab, does the grammar, does the RCs. But not everyone will tell you how to write the paper and what you will feel while writing the paper, because it's the first one. It's the time when you'll have the most pressure.
Correct.
And everything, the weather, the environment, your mental state, it's all very important. And staying focused in that and nailing it was the most important and also a difficult thing for us.
Okay. And what was your study regime? How did you go about studying this entire thing?
It was mostly for other subjects. It was practice. For practical subjects, you need practice and you need.
I mean,
to
how
work
many
on
hours? So
theory also.
post boards, कितनी देर पढ़ाई करी तुमने?
It was not a fixed thing. My timings did fluctuate. I was distracted, but then. What's more important is what you did before and how you work on it later. So, of course, a minimum amount of studying is important for every subject.
यार 4 घंटे तो हम ही पढ़ाते थे रोज तुमको.
हाँ, वो है.
And you were regular and you were very sincere about your classes.
Yes, the subjects in which you're strong, वो आप उसको थोड़ी देर भी करो या उनको कुछ particular days भी करो. So that's okay. But subjects in which you're weak, for me, it was accounts and economics. I had to work on that, and in the end, I did give up on eco. I decided not to work on it. I decided to work on what was best for me.
Right.
So it was.
I think we had to strategize every single subject and say ये वाला करना है, ये वाला नहीं करना है.
किसमें कितना time देना है? It's more important. English is a regular thing. You can't skip it for even one day. I did skip it for a few days, and उससे मुझे बहुत दिक्कत हुई. So I would not advise anyone to skip English even for a day. It's very, very.
No, I know जितने बच्चे टॉपर है ना, सारे के सारे रेगुलरली आते थे. एटलीस्ट इंग्लिश की क्लास में तो उन्होंने कभी क्लास स्किप नहीं करी होगी. I know it very well कि वो सबके चेहरे वही दिख रहे हैं मुझे. जिसके अच्छे स्कोर है सब इंग्लिश के अंदर फ्रंट रो में बैठते थे. And they were very particular कि यार ये तो सीख के ही जाना है.
Yes.
So I think English accounts is key. Economics is difficult and people have to pre-prep, plan and strategize which subjects to go with. Any other advice that you want to give to everybody on CUET preps?
Do what works best for you. Don't follow other people. And I think it's okay to give yourself a break, to give yourself some breathing room. It's okay to accept that you make mistakes and that you can improve. You can't be perfect all the time. It's not possible. And आपके marks कुछ भी हो, if you believe that you've done well and you'll reach where you want to, you will do it. You will make it. You just need to believe.
So stay calm, be focused, and it'll happen.
Yes.